This is all the cars I got it back in the duplication glitch for free. This R8 right here, R88, I got it for free. But I got this S80 right here. I bought it for price. These I got for free, all these, and the duplication glitch. These are like my 4-door cars right here. I got this Cadillac. It's on Benny's. And I got this Cadillac. It's just stock rims. Stock rims is the best. Everything. I got the Subaru here. Honda Civic Type R here. Black. Komodo I got for free in the casino. It's a Taurus Lambo truck. And then I got this. It's modded paint, modded rims. It's pretty nice right here. I got it for free in the glitch. I'm gonna show you my office garage. I think 3 right now. Office garage 3. My office garage 3 is really fucking nice. It has some big vehicles in there and some Benny's cars. But next video it's gonna be like some car meets and stuff like that. It's gonna be tomorrow's video. Yeah, probably some oppressor wars. Oh, and I'm gonna show you some car glitches I know that are very nice glitches. I got this for free right here. This weaponized Tempa. This weaponized Tempa is really nice. It got Benny's. Got some modded paint. Camaro Z28. Hellcat. Look at the plate. That plate is Hellcat. Plate's nice. Hellcat. This is my Yosemite on Benny's. It's a really fast sleeper truck. It's a sleeper right here. And I got the Reaper. Benny's, of course. It got some modded paint or modded plate. You just cannot see it. I have only 3 garages or 3 office garages, and then the rest is just planes. I got some planes, but I'll show you that in the next videos. I got this for free in the glitch. All these for free in this row. Y'all can just look. I got this free, everything. Oh, this garage, there's 2 modded cars up here, I think, or 3. This one's a Jeep F1s. You already know. And I got the Can-Am Benny's. Off-road car, off-road truck. Off-road trucks right here. And I'll show you my office garage 1 now. Office garage 1. Office garage 1's just like some sports cars. A lot of nice sports cars. I got some Fast and the Furious themed cars in there. Stuff like that. Y'all gonna see it though. Y'all subscribe for Partna 1. Partna 1 be getting some money up there. I had 16 million. It's not that much. But I got 16 million. I wasted it. I wasted 6 million on hanger and some stuff like that. I got 2 helicopters. That's all I have right now. I got the FH1 Hunter and then the Aquila. But y'all gonna see. This is like sports cars, Benny's cars right here. Sports cars / Benny's cars / race cars. All nice cars. This is a 30s car. The chrome, try to make it look nice. It just does not have bennies, you know. But yeah, the top garage is nicer. The top garage is nicer. This is a drift Yosemite, of course. This thing's sliding everywhere. Go to office garage 1, or no, office garage up here. It's so nice. All my friends said that these are this nice here. I got the Pariah bennies, CR 380 with NOS, and it has jump. I think, yeah, bennies, of course. Bennies on the Nissan GTR. This is real nice right here. I try to make it look as nice as possible right here. It's like a Fast and the Furious cars. Race car on bennies. One of my friends said this is nice right here. This is a Honda Civic. I'll show you one of the glitches in this. This is a speed glitch right here. It's so fast. I'll show y'all that in the next video. That thing be taking off. Here's this Furia I got for free in the glitch. And then I got the Zero So I bought full price, 1.9 mil. Oh, I bought this full price. I try to make it look nice as possible. Lamborghini Murcielago, Toyota Supra, Mustang, and then this. I hope y'all like the garage tour. This is all I got today. But yeah, look at my next video. It's gonna be lit.